Hey, welcome to this video. This is Hannes. I'm so glad that you're here because I'm about to show you some really cool riffs every beginner has to learn on guitar because they're easy and they're so much fun to play and everybody knows them. So it's really fun to do. Before we start out, I want to recommend you to take a look at the video description and check out my free crash course. You learn a lot of basic stuff in there, you do a lot of music in there, play a lot of songs already in there. I recommend you, if you're new to this channel, check that one out. It's totally free. So let's now start with our two famous songs or song riffs I want to show you. Save a Nation Army by the White Stripes, and of course Come As You Are by Nirvana. Pretty cool songs because they are so easy and easy to play even for beginners. Still they are so famous and big and famous songs. So let's start with Save a Nation Army. Maybe you already saw that I played it with a different fingering each time I played the riff, because I wanted to show you can play it in different versions depending how advanced you already are as a beginner. So we start out with our index finger in the 7th fret of the A string. This is the second string from your point of view. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th fret. And you play that twice. And then you go with the index finger to the 10th fret once, so, and back again to the 7th fret. If you want, you can play that high note here on the 10th fret with your pinky. Or you can just jump with your index, whatever you like. Try both versions out because, I mean, after a while you would also like to train not only your index finger, but if you're really new to guitar, it might be easier for you just to jump with one finger. Just side information, depending on how you want to do it, just up to you. So 7, 7, 10, 7, and then you go to the 5th fret, to the 3rd fret, and to the 2nd fret. That's first round of the riff. So 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. Again. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. I'm just playing the first part of the riff. Everything is played with a downstroke. Everything on the A string. Okay, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2nd fret, and so this is the first part of the riff. The second time you play it, it's a little bit different. So we have 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. So we have a little step backward again, back to the 5th fret, and then again to the 3rd, and then to the 2nd fret. Okay? Second part. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, and then I'd like to go with the ring finger to the 5th fret, then again index finger on the 3rd fret and the index finger on the 2nd fret. As I said before, you can play everything just with your index finger if you want to, but at certain points it's easier for me to say, okay, use my other fingers so I don't have to jump that far all the time. So, again, second part. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Sorry. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Now both parts from the top. 3, 4, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Again the first one. 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. And again the second one. 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. And then we have our B part, kind of. We play 8 times in the 3rd fret of the E string. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 frets up in the 5th fret, also 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from the top. Seven Nation Army. So let's go to the next chord riff. Come As You Are. Start with the open E string, with the low E string twice. Then in the 1st fret with the index finger of the E string, and then in the 2nd fret of the E string with your middle finger. So. And try to have the right angle here. Don't let your fingers lie like this. Them stand up straight. So 0, 0, 1, 2. And then you play while still holding down in the 2nd fret with the middle finger of the E string. While you're still holding on that note, you play the open A string. So now A, from the top. Then you go back to the E string. Play that twice, still holding here the 2nd fret of the E string. So till there. 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Open E string. Till there. And then you put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and play again. One time the open E string, then one time the A string, and twice the open E string. And from the top. The very last note is, again, the A string, where still your middle finger is waiting. So I say the strings now that I play, because I think the frets are quite obvious. E, 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 A, E, A, E, 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 A, E, E, E. At the end it's an A again. E, 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 A, E, riff again. So let's play it slowly together. So you realize we only play the low E string twice at the very beginning. When you play it in a loop, there's one open E string missing. I'll tell you what I mean, explain to you what I mean. You start out E, 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 A, E, A, E, 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 A, E, 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 and then you have that open E string was kind of stolen by the very last note you played on the A string. This one. And then as I said before, it's important to have your fingers straight coming from the top, pushing down the string on the fretboard, because if the finger is too much like this, you will block the open A string there. That's see the problem there. And try to be with the fingers as close to the frets as possible for you. Don't push down the string here in the second fret, but here. Okay? So have fun with those cool song riffs, and we see us back in the next video. Check out in the video description my absolutely free crash course for guitar. If you're new to my channel, that's the thing you should check out. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.